In this video, we're going to learn about global and local variables. The goal of this program is going to be to have these two cats tell us their phone number. And there's two parts to their phone number. One part is the beginning of the phone number, which is common to all cats. And the second part is their phone number extension, which is going to be different for the orange cat and for the blue cat. All right, let's go ahead and do that. So let's create a variable first. And this variable, let's call it phone number. And this phone number is going to be the same for the orange cat and for the blue cat. So it's the same for all sprites. That's what we call a global variable, because the variable is visible to everyone. It's globally visible. Very good. And we can go ahead and initialize that. The way we do that is we can initialize it anywhere, it doesn't matter, but I like to initialize it in the stage because it doesn't really belong to any of the two cats. So this is the script for the stage, and we can start it when we click on the green flag. Okay, and we can initialize this phone number here. And let's say it's 0794567. That's the common part of the phone number to all the cats. Okay, now we need a phone number extension for the orange cat and for the blue cat. So again, I'm going to create a new program that starts when we click on the green flag. And then I'm going to create a new variable, and this variable is going to be called phone number extension. And I want this extension to only be for the orange cat, so it's only going to be for this sprite. Okay, and I can initialize this phone number extension to, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, the last thing I want to do is I want to create a phone number extension for the blue cat. Okay, so again, notice that the blue cat doesn't see the phone number extension of the orange cat, and that's normal because it's a local variable. So only the sprite in which the variable was created can see that variable. So let's create this variable, and we can even call it the same thing, so phone number extension. And again, it's only visible to the blue cat this time, and we can initialize it. Phone number extension, let's call it 3321. And let's just do a little exercise where we're actually going to print out this phone number. Again, that was the goal. We want the cats to tell us their phone number. So first, they're going to say the beginning of the phone number. And notice how they can see this phone number variable here, which was global, because you can really see this variable from everywhere. And then we're going to say the phone number extension. And we're going to do the same thing with the orange cat. So it's going to say the phone number. This is the global variable. It's the same for every cat. And then we're going to say the phone number extension, and the phone number extension is a local variable, and it's only visible to the orange cat. So let's go ahead and run this program. So here what it says is the common part of the phone number, and then the phone number extension, which is different for every cat.